Welcome home to this beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bath home nestled in a peaceful, secluded setting. Situated on 3 spacious lots, this property offers the perfect combination of privacy, modern updates, and outdoor space. Step inside to find a stunning total renovation featuring a bright, inviting interior with all new appliances, a new HVAC system, and a new roof, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Every detail has been thoughtfully updated, making this home truly move-in ready. Enjoy your morning coffee or unwind in the evening on the large covered front porch, or entertain family and friends on the back patio overlooking the expansive yard. Need extra storage? The large storage shed provides plenty of room for tools, lawn equipment, hobbies, or outdoor gear. Whether you're looking for your first home,